Hi, I'm Pattu from FreeFinCal. Wish you all a very happy Diwali, Deepavali, however way you spell it or call it. I'm making this video to talk about YouTube earnings, but before that, I had asked in Facebook group Asan Ideas of Wealth for members to list out their questions on portfolio rebalancing, their common problems they have, and looks like it will take a three-part series to cover that. I had covered the first 13 questions in part 1 early in the morning, and then just now I had published the second part for the next 13-14 questions. There'll be one more part, so if you have any questions on portfolio rebalancing, they would likely be covered in this series, and I would suggest you have a look at it. The link is available. You can just go to freefincal.com to access the top 2 posts, or you can go to the YouTube community, the channel's community page. Alright, so let's talk about YouTube earnings, and this is my channel dashboard, and the date is Friday the 13th. On Friday the 13th, 8:16 p.m. and that's the earnings. You have the current subscribers are 38,386. This is quite small compared to many other channels, the growth of other channels. I just tend to add anywhere between 800 to 1,000 subscribers a month. Typically, my Tamil videos do better than English videos. That's why I talk about the importance of regional language videos in my Earn From Skills course. And I have about the revenue for the last 28 days is about $220. This is peanuts. This is nothing, right? But that's because I had talked about this earlier, and I also covered it in detail in the Earn From Skills course. YouTube videos depend on YouTube revenue depends on not on the number of subscribers, but it actually depends on the watch time. And if you post a 10-minute video, how many of your viewers tend to watch 80% of the video, 70% of the video, and so on. YouTube is calculating this, and if your subscribers tend to watch more of a video, then YouTube will promote that in the feed of other people other than your subscribers, but who are interested in related topics, and then that's how the revenue grows. Of course, if you that depends on the thumbnail, it depends on the editing, and so on. There are pros and cons with YouTube, and a very smart marketer who is who has got a product to market, and that product is that's a basic product that anybody who is young and who wants to improve their career skills, they want to, let's say, a digital marketing course, if they want to put out that kind of a product, they would just use YouTube as a way to get sales for that product, and basically not even care about the ad revenue. But in my case, this ad revenue is basically peanuts, but it's peanuts because of 2 reasons. One is my YouTube videos are the topic themselves are not popular. I talk about I use graphs, and not everybody likes that. And of course, you can complain that I don't edit my videos. I don't do any kind of special cuts and so on. Yeah, that's true, but I don't want to do it. That's my point. It's just too much of a time waste for me, and I don't want to do that for the kind of niche topic I have. But the point I want to put out here is that if you want to make money from YouTube, there is more money in product promotions, either your own or somebody else's product, than getting money from advertisements. And that's what a smart marketer would do. But in my case, I have been able to attract many young people to my YouTube channel, but they're not many of them are buyers of the stuff I have to sell, the courses, the robo template, even the mutual fund stock screeners and so on. That's understandable. I'm not worried too much about it. My goal via YouTube is to attract more and more new audiences, and I've been able to do that reasonably well. Although it's not like my channel has never taken off. You can see in many other channels, they just take off. but that's because of one video or two videos and so on. But that's fine. That's perfectly fine. I don't want too many people watching my videos because generally the comments on YouTube, for every 10 comments you see at least 2 nasty comments. I mean, you see people here saying you should not be promoting your products on YouTube. You are actually selling your products all the time and so on. I mean, it's my channel and I can do what I want with it. You're not supposed. I mean, you don't care. I mean, if you're not interested, you don't need to watch it. So the number of people I block on YouTube is probably about I would say 5,000 people I would have blocked so far, because I don't want nasty comments. I have better things to do to deal with nasty comments. Constructive feedback I have always taken, but that's when people tell me when something is factually wrong. If they give me opinions, I'm not too interested about that. All right. So the point is that YouTube advertising, the revenue works. It works on how fast the views for a video increase. So suppose I post this video now, it's 8:21. I'm going to post this in the next 10 minutes, hopefully. Let's say I posted at 8:30. How fast the videos move up, how fast the views move up, that's what advertisers will. I mean, if suddenly if the number of view, this video goes viral, for example, it will never go viral, I'm just saying, if it goes viral, then advertisers will rush to be part of that video. That's where you make most of the money. People ask, how much money will I earn from YouTube for 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 views? That's just nonsense. Nobody can calculate that. If people are going to give you some number for it, they have no idea about how online advertising works. The point is that there is a lot more money when you have a product to sell, when you have an expertise. When you say, for example, you say, I'm a financial advisor and I don't want to turn on ads, but I'm just going to use YouTube as a lead magnet for people to come and sign up for my financial service program. That's going to give you a lot more money than just ads. So that's something that you have to keep in mind if you are thinking about creating a channel and so on. So so let me promote my course while I am at it. If you have a problem with it, go ahead and have a problem with it. So I have this course called Earn From Skills, where I talk about different ways to convert your expertise, your passion, your interest into revenue. That's what I've done, and I basically share everything I have known up to this point, and I continue to share new things in that course, which has got more than 10 hours of video content. So if you're interested, you can go to FreeFinCal, and you just go to the menu there. You should be able to see your Earn From Skills right there. So that's about it. And as regards portfolio rebalancing, if you have problems with respect to planning your portfolio, right, then I have a course for that too. You have Manage Your Portfolio Like a Pro. I'm just saying this with a full confidence that very, very few people watching this would actually sign up. My traffic sources are elsewhere, but that's fine. But that's something that you need to know. And unless your videos are making, the views are rapidly increasing, the money that you would get from YouTube would be minuscule. There are some people who do amazing jobs on YouTube. The production value is amazing. They fully deserve it. I have very, very little production value, and I don't bother, so I don't deserve any more money than this. Even I would say I'm surprised at seeing $220 there. The last time I shared this revenue, it was actually much lower. So that's how the cookie crumbles. So I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Happy Diwali again.